Good morning or afternoon, creative coding students. I just want to make this quick little video to show you guys how to access some curriculum that you should be working on today. First of all, congratulations. Many of you guys turned in your assignments for the animation on Thursday and Friday of last week with the microbits. Did a great job. We have over 60 students that have got that submitted on Canvas. Haven't been able to go through and grade those yet, but thank you for diligently working to get that done. So here in Coasters, I had hoped that having 2 days working in Coasters, we'd be able to get all three introductory lessons finished. However, as you can see here, this is a third period class. Oh, sorry. We have uh, only a handful of students here that have gotten 100% on all three of those lessons. We have a few more that have got at least started with that third lesson, and still quite a few students. Some haven't even started the second lesson, and some are not done or started on the third lesson. So today, for those of you who are not done with everything, today is your day to kind of try to finish these things up. I really would encourage you to seek help from people sitting by you, to look at some of the hints that are available as you go through the lessons so that you can try to get these done and accomplished, because we're going to be moving on to the main curriculum next time. However, some people are finished and they're ready to move on. So this is not mandatory. Don't feel as if you have to do this if you're, especially if you're not done with those first three lessons. But if you are interested and you are done, you can move on to the first lesson in the Python curriculum. And I made this video just to show you how to get to that. So the top of your screen, when you first get into Codesters and you click on Continue Lessons, it should show you something sort of like this. You're going to just click on this thing here, which is the Python 1, Python Part 1 curriculum, and I have enabled the dance steps, which is the first lesson for those who are ahead to be able to continue working and to get that done. So as you can see, we don't have anyone who's really started with that. These people here at the bottom already took the class last year, so that's why they have some of these things already done. But they've established new accounts and they're getting started on doing it kind of again to have a little bit of a review. So that's third period. If you are in fifth period, you can see here we have a few people who are finished as well. So once again, if they just click on that thing at the top, so they can go over to the Python part 1. And once again, we have no one who has gotten started on this one quite yet. So that's your opportunity today to be able to move a little bit further and to really have something to be able to do, as everyone else is working on finishing up those first three introductory lessons. And then here in period 1, we have once again a couple of people who kind of already did this last year, and they're working on some other curriculum during the course of the class. But everyone else can go ahead and get started with that dance steps lesson. So period 1 has just a couple of people that are ready to move on, but everyone else should have plenty to do. So thanks so much for continuing to work on this, guys. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're learning some things. I will definitely be back on Thursday, and hopefully we can jump into using the actual microbits and doing some of those lessons on Thursday in class. Any questions or difficulties that you can't work out with someone sitting next to you, you can send me an email, and I will do my best to be able to respond during the day. But if not, then I will see you guys Thursday. So have fun today, and I will talk to you later.